Here, this is called take-up lever and take-up lever assembly parts, two components. And this is called thread take-up cam shaft. And on this shaft, there is a small slot. While fixing this shaft, we need to refer to this slot. And this is called thread take-up cam shaft pin. And there are two bearings in this assembly. And this is called needle bar connecting rod. And on this rod we have a mark number 1 which we need to refer when assembly. And there is a left screw in this assembly which we need to tighten in a opposite direction. While fixing the take-up lever, make sure this hole, counterweight hole, and this take-up lever hole should be properly centralized. Insert this take-up lever thread guide through this machine guide and fix this. Make sure that take-up lever hole and counterweight hole matching, and then insert the take-up lever pin with bearing. There is a dot mark. Keep this dot mark up and tight the first screw of the counterweight. Tight it. And then tight the second screw of the counterweight. Be careful, this take-up lever may damage here while rotating. Keep it up and rotate slowly and take the second screw and tight the second screw. We need to assemble this take-up cam connecting crank assembly with this pin. This pin we need to insert here at the top along with this. First, along with this, insert this pin through this take-up lever slowly, and now put this pin into the hole and then tight the screw at the top. I told you, when assembling this, we need to focus on this number 1, and this number 1 should go backside and fix it along with the bearing, roller bearing. Insert the roller bearing, then fix this here, then take this left screw. This we need to tighten in the opposite direction. Then tight it in the opposite direction, left screw. Tight this completely and then insert the needle bar. We need to assemble this slide block into this groove. Hold it from top, insert it like this and press this slowly with your finger. Insert it like this and then take the needle bar connecting assembly along with this. It should go, and make sure this pin fixing inside this slide block through this needle bar crank rod, and then from top we have to assemble this main needle bar. Insert this needle bar through this needle bar connecting assembly and check the free movement of the needle bar through this rod and through this assembly.